Hello, my dear class 8th student. Today, we are going to start rational numbers, right? So, through PPT, first I'll explain the concept of rational number. Then I'll show videos that you will watch, and after that, we'll do exercise. Okay. So, one by one, I'm showing. Just uh, clear your concept first related to rational number, right? So always you will surround yourself with positive students and ideas. Ah, then always you will get energy. Okay. So now first we'll understand what are natural number. Okay. So natural number starts from 1 and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. These kind of numbers are called natural number. If we add a 0 to this set, which set of number do we get? So answer will be what? Whole number. Because whole number start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. That will be the set of whole numbers. So which set is bigger? Natural number or whole number? Which one is bigger? Try to find out this answer. Name the set of numbers which is bigger than the set of whole numbers. Name the set of numbers which is bigger than the set of whole number. So answer will be what? Integers. And integers start from minus infinity to plus infinity. It will be like that. Minus infinity. Okay. Then dot dot dot. Then minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Dot 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 up to infinity. So all are the integers you did in class 7. So what are integers? The set of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. That is integers, right? Now, simplest form of rational number. So, what is the simplest form of 6 by 8? 6 and 8, both we can divide by 2. Is it or not? So if we'll divide 6 by 2, then we'll get 3. If we'll divide 8 by 2, then we'll get 4. What kind of number it is? It is a fraction. Now in which set of numbers can fraction fit? Answer will be rational number. And here we can observe Venn diagram. Okay. So natural number. Then bigger than natural number will be whole number. Bigger than whole number will be integers. Bigger than integers will be rational number. Now see next slide. What is rational number? A number of the form p by q, where p, q are integers and q not equals to 0. Here it is not p. So please correct it. It should be q. Q should not be 0. It's called a rational number. So I'm trying. Rational number we discuss. Okay. Now, rational number, okay, will be positive, negative, both type. So rational number are classified as positive, 0 or negative. Okay, when either the numerators or denominator is a negative integer, it is a negative rational number. So we'll get then negative rational number. Okay, fine. Okay, now next, equivalent rational number. What is equivalent rational number? Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent if they have the same value. Okay, so the numerator and denominator of the rational number can be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero integers without changing the value of the rational number. So equivalent rational number, just I am showing, just try to understand. Okay. So if we say 3 by 4 and 6 by 8. So both rational number, if you will simplify, both are giving same value. This is also 3 by 4. After simplification, this is also will be 3 by 4. So if you will cut by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. So these two are called what? Equivalent rational number. Okay, equivalent rational number. Okay, fine. I hope you understood. Now I'm showing next slide. Now standard form of rational number. So the rational number is said to be standard form if the denominator is positive and the number is in lowest form. Okay, that also I'm explaining. Try to understand. Okay. So standard form of numbers, like suppose 8 by minus 18. Okay, so this is not a standard form of rational number. If you want to convert it into a standard form of rational number, this minus you will bring in numerator, and if you will divide numerator by 2, then you will get 4, and if you will divide denominator by 2, then you will get 9. That means minus 4 by 9 will be the standard form of rational number. Okay. Now comparison of a rational number. Comparing rational number. How we can compare? Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? How we can decide? So by two ways we can decide. Using number line or making denominator equal. So using number line, how we'll understand which one is bigger? So here if we draw a number line, and if you want to compare minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and minus 7 by 4, which one is bigger? If any number, okay, any number is in left hand side, that will be the smaller. If any number in right hand side, then it will be a positive number. So here minus 7 by 4 we can observe it is in left hand side, and 1 by 4 it is in right hand side. So smallest one is minus 7 by 4, then minus 3 by 4, then 1 by 4. So like that we can compare. Second things, using cross product. So how we can decide using cross product? Suppose you have to compare minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 6. So how you can compare it? On cross multiplying, if you cross multiply, then 6 into minus 4, how much? Minus 24, and 5 into minus 5, minus 25. So which one is bigger? Minus 24. Minus 24 is bigger than minus 25. So minus 24 came from left hand side. That is minus 4 by 5 is bigger than minus 5 by 6. By this method also we can compare two rational number. Okay. Now making denominator equal. So suppose 5 by minus 21 and minus 9 by 40. So how we can compare these two rational numbers? If you will make denominator same, so here 5 by minus 21 can be written as minus 5 by, that minus bring in numerator, and minus 9 by 24 is minus 9 by 24. Now LCM of 21 and 40, that will be 42. So we have to make 42 in denominator. So how we can make? Just multiply by 2. First rational number multiply by 2. Then we'll get minus 27 by 42. minus 10 by 42, and second, if we'll multiply by 3, then you will get minus 27 by 42. So out of these two, which one is bigger, minus 10 or minus 27? So here we can observe minus 10 by 42 is bigger than minus 27 by 42. So we can say minus 5 by 21 greater than minus 9 by 14. So I hope you understood. Now next slide. Okay. Now ordering rational number. Okay. Ordering, that means how we can write in ascending order and descending order. Okay. So first you will make same denominator. After making same denominator, then we can arrange in, either you can arrange in ascending order or you can arrange in descending order. Okay. Now we'll watch one video to understand more, right?
All of us know what a number line is, and the numbers we see here on the number line are called integers. On the right side of 0, we have positive integers, and on its left, we have negative integers. Integers we are familiar with, but what about numbers like these? 1 by 3, 5 by 6, or minus 7 by 12. Each of these are numbers, but we don't use them as often as we use counting numbers. Such numbers are called rational numbers. But we need to define them well. We cannot say numbers like these are rational numbers. We say that they are of the form p by q. One number in the numerator and one in the denominator. But there are a few conditions we need to know. P and Q should be integers. We can have only integers in place of P and Q. And there is another important condition. Q should not be equal to 0. Why do we have the second condition? Say I ask you to calculate 3 divided by 0. What would be the quotient? 0 multiplied by what will give you 3? There is no such number. This value is undefined. So this is the basic definition of rational numbers. It is a number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0.
So I hope you understood. It is clear visually. You have seen that what type of number is a rational number. What is the definition of rational number? That means a rational number is of the form p by q, where p, q are integers and q should not be equals to 0. If q equals to 0, then that number will be undefined number. We can't define that number. Now watch next video.
There are few properties of addition of rational numbers. Let us discuss them one by one. Property 1. Let us consider the following example. 1 by 4 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 plus minus 6 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4, which is a rational number. Hence, we can say that the sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. This property is known as closure property for addition of rational numbers. Thus, if a and b are any two rational numbers, then a plus b is also a rational number. Property 2. To understand this property, let us consider the following examples. 3 by 5 plus minus 7 by 6 is equal to 18 minus 35 by 30, which gives us minus 17 by 30. Also, minus 7 by 6 plus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 35 plus 18 by 30, which also gives us minus 17 by 30. Therefore, 3 by 5 plus minus 7 by 6 is equal to minus 7 by 6 plus 3 by 5. Hence, two rational numbers can be added in any order. This property is known as commutative property for addition of rational numbers. Thus, if a and b are any two rational numbers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Property 3. Let us now consider the following examples. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 15 minus 4 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 11 by 20 is equal to 10 plus 11 by 20 is equal to 21 by 20. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 25 minus 4 by 20 is equal to 21 by 20. Therefore, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 5. Hence, 3 or more rational numbers can be grouped in any order to find their sum. This property is known as associative property for addition of rational numbers. Thus, if a, b, c are any three rational numbers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Property 4. For this, let us consider the following examples. 0 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 0 is equal to 2 by 3. Also, 0 plus minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence, the sum of 0 and any rational number is the rational number itself. This property is known as additive property of 0, and 0 is called the additive identity of rational numbers. Thus, if a is any rational number, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. Property 5. To understand fifth property, let us consider the following example. The negative of 11 by 18 is minus 11 by 18 because 11 by 18 plus minus 11 by 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, p by q plus minus p by q is equal to 0. Hence, the negative of a rational number p by q is minus p by q. Also, p by q and minus p by q are called negative of each other, and minus p by q is equal to p by q. Thus, if a plus b is equal to 0, then b is negative, additive inverse of a, and vice versa.
So here we understood what property we can use for addition of two rational numbers, right? And then we learn what property we can use for multiplication, right? Okay. So just watch it.
Some of the properties of multiplication of rational numbers are as follows. Property 1. Let us consider the following examples. 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 into minus 5 by 3 into 7 is equal to minus 10 by 21, which is a rational number. Hence, the product of two rational numbers is also a rational number. This is closure property for multiplication of rational numbers. Thus, if a and b are any two rational numbers, then a into b is also a rational number. Property 2. Let us consider the following examples. 5 by 12 into minus 8 by 15 is equal to 1 into minus 2 by 3 into 3 is equal to minus 2 by 9. Also, minus 8 by 15 into 5 by 12 is equal to minus 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to minus 2 by 9. Therefore, 5 by 12 into minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 5 by 12. Hence, two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. This is commutative property for multiplication of rational numbers. Thus, if a and b are any two rational numbers, then a into b is equal to b into a. Property 3. Let us consider the following example. Minus 5 by 8 into 0 is equal to 0 into minus 5 by 8 is equal to 0 into minus 5 by 8 is equal to 0 by 8 is equal to 0. Hence, the product of 0 and any rational number is 0. This is multiplicative property of 0. Thus, if a is any rational number, then a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. Property 4. Let us consider an example. 1 into minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 into minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 6. Hence, the product of 1 and any rational number is the number itself. This property is known as multiplicative property of 1, and 1 is called multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Thus, if a is any rational number, then a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Property 5. Let us consider the following examples. 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6 into 7 by 15 is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 1 into 7 by 6 into 3. This gives us 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 18 is equal to 1 into minus 7 by 3 into 9 is equal to minus 7 by 27, and 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6 into 7 by 15 is equal to 1 into minus 5 by 3 into 3 into 7 by 15 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 7 by 15 is equal to minus 1 into 7 by 9 into 3 is equal to minus 7 by 27. Hence, we found that 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6 into 7 by 15 is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 6 into 7 by 15. Hence, 3 or more numbers can be grouped in any order to find their product. This is associative property for multiplication of rational numbers. Thus, if a, b and c are any three rational numbers, then a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Property 6. Let us consider the following examples. 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 2 by 3 into 20 plus 21 by 24 is equal to 1 by 3 into 41 by 12 is equal to 41 by 36, and 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 is equal to 1 into 5 by 3 into 3 plus 1 into 7 by 3 into 4 is equal to 5 by 9 plus 7 by 12 is equal to 20 plus 21 by 36 is equal to 41 by 36. Thus, 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8. Hence, multiplication of rational numbers is distributive over addition. This is distributive property of multiplication of rational numbers over addition. Thus, if a, b, c are any three rational numbers, then a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Since b minus c is equal to B plus minus C. So A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Hence, multiplication of rational numbers is distributive over subtraction also. Property 7. As we know that minus 8 by 17 into 17 by minus 8 is equal to 1, so the reciprocal of minus 8 by 17 is 17 by minus 8. Thus, if A and B are two rational numbers such that A into B is equal to 1, then each is called the reciprocal of the other.
Okay, so almost concept. Okay, I have discussed. Now, these two exercise will solve. Okay, so here questions are given. So these questions I'll discuss, right? So one by one I'm discussing. So just observe. So first 1.1. Answer 1. Name the properties illustrated in the following statement. That means, what is the name of this property? So A is 6 by 7 plus 3 by 8 equals to 3 by 8 plus 6 by 7. So just see here, it is A plus B equals to B plus A. So name of the property will be commutative. Commutative property, right? So one more questions I'm doing D. 7 by 11 into 1 equals to 7 upon 11. So if you multiply any rational number with 1, if same number you will get, that is 7 upon 11. Same number if you will get, then it is identity, property of identity. This is property of identity. Okay. Now, question number 2. So already we have seen questions. So questions I have shown you. Now question number 2. Find the additive inverse of the following. So additive inverse you have to tell. 13. So additive inverse of 8 by 13 equals to minus 8 by 13, right? One more questions I am doing, that is C. 6 by minus 7. So its additive inverse we have to tell. So additive inverse of 6 by minus 7 will be 6 by 7, just opposite side. Okay. Now, next is question number 3. So, answer 3. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Multiplicative inverse. That means 2 by 7. Its multiplicative inverse you have to tell. So, multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7 will be 7 by 2. Just its reciprocal. You have to write a reciprocal of that number. And one more I am doing, that is C. Here 8 by 35. So multiplicative inverse of 8 by 35 equals to 35 upon 8. Okay, I hope you understood, everyone understood, right? So here once again you can check the question or you can take a screenshot, then you will understand what questions you are doing. Okay, so now next question is question number 4. Answer 4, right? In question number 4, if P equals to minus 2 by 3 and Q equals to 9 by 20, it is given, then verify the following property. So we have to verify this property. P into Q equals to Q into P. What is the name of this property? This property name will be commutative property. So we have to verify. That means putting the value of P and Q, we are getting left hand side and right hand side or not, just check it. So value of P, put minus 2 by 3. Value of Q, put 9 by 20. Here Q 9 by 20 and P minus 2 by 3. If we will multiply, then in numerator we are getting 18 and denominator 60. And here also if we will multiply, then we are getting 18 and denominator we are getting 60. So LHS equals to RHS. So verified. Understood? Now C also I am doing. So answer 4 C. So here P equals to minus 2 by 3, Q equals to 9 by 20. So we have to verify P minus Q not equals to Q minus P. So P is minus 2 by 3, right? Minus Q is 9 by 20, not equals to Q is 9 by 20 minus P is minus 2 by 3. Sure. So how I taught this? Either you will take LCM because you are subtracting, either you will take LCM of denominator, after that you can find, or one easiest method is multiply denominator, that means 3 into 20. Then cross multiply. Minus 2 into 20 is minus 40. And minus 9 into 3, 27. Not equals to 20 into 3. Now cross multiply 27. And here it will cross multiply minus 40. So here both are negative number. Here minus 40, we are getting minus 40 minus 27. And denominator we are getting 60. Not equals to 27 plus 40. So clearly we can observe it in numerator is 67 by 60, not equals to here 67 by 60. So LHS not equals to RHS. So I hope you understood this. Achha. Now next question number 5. So here you have to simplify. Minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 36. If you want to add these two, then you can take LCM, or one easiest method you can use if you are facing problem. So you can remember multiply denominator, that means 9 into 36. Then crosswise multiply. 36 into minus 2 is minus 72. And 9 into 1 is 9. Now minus 72 plus 9 is minus 63. And 9 into 36. You can cut by 9. So what we are getting? Minus 7 by 36. Okay. Now next question. I am showing answer 5. D. 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 divided by 16. So from class 4 we have learned this 4 by 5. These divide symbol, if you want to change in multiplication, then you have to take its reciprocal. After that we can cancel by 4. 4 1 is 4 and 4 4 is 16. So answer will be 1 by 20. Now next one question I am doing, that is answer 5H. Here 4 by 22. 4 by 22 divided by minus 16 by 11. So it will be 4 by 22. Convert, divide into multiplication. It will be 11 by minus 16. Now cut by 11. 11 2 is 22. Then 2 2 is 4. Then these 2 and this 16 it will cut. So we are getting minus 1 by 8. So this was question number 5. Now Answer 6. If A equals to 18 by 35, B equals to 5 by 9, and C equals to 7 by 12. Then we have to verify one I am showing you. A into B into C should be equals to A into B into C. Right? That means just we have to verify left hand side equals to right hand side or not. So now put the value of A. That is 18 by 35 into 5 by 9 into 7 by 12. Here A is 18 by 35, B is 5 by 9, bracket 7 by 12. You heard about BODMAS? So we have to follow BODMAS. According to BODMAS, first we have to work for bracket. So if anything will be cancelled, you can cancel it. So 18 by 35. Here nothing will be cancelled. So 7 5 die 35, and 12 into 9 108. Or here also, here if we simplify, we can cancel by 9. 9 2 die 18. So here we are getting 10 by 35 into 7 by 12. Now 35 cancel. So 18, if we will divide this, then you can cut by 9, and that means it is divisible by 18. So 9 to the first, I'll cut by 9. 9 to the 18. 9 1 the 8, 9, and 9 to the 18. Then again by 2 cut. So we are getting 6. And this side, 5 2 the 10, 5 7 the 7 and 7 cancel, then 2 6 the 12. Therefore, in left hand side we are getting 1 by 6, and right hand side also 1 by 6. So LHS equals to RHS. This is verification. That means left hand side and right hand side equal or not. That is called verifications. Okay. Now, question number 7. Answer 7. Verify that minus of minus x should be equals to x. So I am doing for A, that is x is given here minus 8 by 13. Okay. So either you are doing NCERT book or any other book, types of questions you will get same. Similar questions you will get. That means first you have to know the concept. What property we can use. So how many types of property we have learned? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse, and after doing multiplications we learn one more important property, that is distributive property. So we have to verify left hand side right hand side equal or not. So clearly LHS equals to minus x. We know that minus x is additive inverse of x. So here minus So minus x will be additive inverse of x. So its additive inverse will be 8 by 13. Okay, since additive inverse of x is minus x. Again, additive inverse of 8 by 13. Here 8 by 13 it is. So 8 by 13. So its additive inverse will be minus 8 by 13. This is LHS. And RHS equals to x. And x is minus 8 by 13. So clearly LHS equals to. So verifications done. Now next question. Question number 8. Answer 8. Okay, once again I am showing you questions. Just check question number 8. Add the following using associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. Okay. Now, first question. Add the following using associative property of addition. Minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 38 plus 9 by 19. Okay. So, associative property means we can group this 3 number by any way. We can take first and second. Even we can take second or third. Okay, anything we can consider. So if we consider first and second, so here it is minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 38. So here put bracket plus 9 by 19. So how I taught you, multiply denominator 2 into 38, cross multiply, minus 38 plus 14 plus 9 by 19. So minus 38 plus 14, how much? Achha, negative sign so you have to put because negative is bigger, and if you subtract this, then 4, and that means 24 you will get. 24 divided by 2 into 38. After that, if you can cancel, then cut it. 2 1 jai 2, 2 2 jai 4. Then again we can divide by 2. 19 are here 6. So this we are getting minus 6 by 19 plus 9 by 19. So clearly 19 and 19 both are same. So 19 we can write, that is also another way, minus 6 plus 9. So here we are getting 3 by 19. So if denominator same, then 19 you will write once. After that, minus 6 and 9 we can add. So this was question number 8. First question. Two questions are there. One question I did and one question you will try. Now question number 9. So question number 9, one question I am doing. Answer 9. Simplify the following using distributive property. Distributive property. This is the most important property. 5 by 14 into 4 by 15 plus 5 by 14 into 12 by 25. Then according to distributive law, what we have to do? 5 by 14 will take outside, put bracket. 4 by 15 plus here 12 by 25. So 5 by 14. Now if you want to add this, then 15 and 25. Taking LCM also we can add. Two methods I taught. One, either multiply denominator and crosswise multiply, that is one way. Second way, LCM of 15 and 25 will be what? 15 and 25 LCM will be 150, right? Yeah. No, 75. LCM will be 75. So 75 and 15 you will divide. What you will get? 15, 5 is 75. 5 into 4, 20. If you will divide 75 by 25, then 3 you will get. 3 into 12, 36 you will get. So 5 by 40 into 20 plus 36. 56 by 75. Okay. Now 14 3 jai 14 4 jai 14 4 jai 56 and cut by 5. So 5 1 jai 5 and 5 1 jai 5, 25 5 jai 25. So we are getting 4 by 15. 4 by 15 is the answer. Now 10. Just check question number 10. Multiply 2 by 7 by the multiplicative inverse of minus 18 by 49. In NCERT also you will get same kind of question. Answer 10. Multiply 2 by 7 multiplicative inverse of minus 18 by 49. So 2 by 7 multiplicative inverse of minus 18 by 47 will be 49 will be 49 by minus 18. Now 7 7 jai 49 and cut by 2, 2 9 jai 18. So minus 7 by 9 we got. Now 11, 12, 13 are almost similar. So one I am doing, other you will try. Answer 11. Is 0.5 is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2? So 0.5 into 1 by 2. If you will multiply these two, will you get 1 or not? You have to check. So remove 0.5 by 10 into 1 by 2. cut by 5. 5 to the 10. We are getting 1 by 4. It is not equals to 1. Therefore, 0.5 is not multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2. Reason also I have given. Okay. 12 also similar type and 13 also similar type. Okay. Now answer 14. Answer 14. Just everyone check answer 14. Answer 14 is the product of two rational number is 2 by 15. If one of the number is minus 8 by 9, find the other number. Good question it is. So product is given. Okay, product is given. How much? Product equals to 2 by 15. And one number is minus 8 by 9. So other number will be other number equals to 2 by 15 divided by minus 8 by 9. So it is 2 by 15 into 9 by minus 8. So cut by 2. Here 4. Here 3 5 is 15 and 3 3 is 9. So other number will be minus 3 by 20. So this was exercise 1.1. Now start exercise 1.2. So any rational number we can represent on number line. So in class 7 you did, but in class 7 you learn how we can represent an integer on number line. Here we learn a rational number, how we can represent a rational number. So answer 1. First question, just check it once again. Represent the following number on a number line. So 2 by 5, 13 by 7, minus 4 by 11, minus 15 by 9. So here 4 types of numbers are given. So I am doing 2 and 2 I am leaving for you. So 2 by 5 on number line I'll draw. So draw a number line with the help of a scale. Okay. Then here and put both side arrow because it is line. So here 0. What is the denominator? Denominator is 5. So 1 centimeter distance you will mark as 1 by 5. 1 centimeter again take 2 by 5. Then 3 by 5. Then 4 by 5. And next one is 5 by 5 will be 1. So this one little bit make it dark. So 2 by 5 we have to mark. So any other color I am taking and just I am marking 2 by 5. So round it with the help of pencil. Okay. Then we got 2 by 5. Now next is not B, C I am doing a negative number. One negative number if you do, then it is better. Now I am showing C. C minus 4 by 11. So little bit long line you have to draw because it is 11 and it is negative. So I need negative side. Understood? So here I am putting 0 and this side right side positive. and left side will be negative. So here 11. So 1 centimeter, take minus 1 by 11. 1 centimeter minus 2 by 11. 1 centimeter minus 3 by 11. Then 1 centimeter minus 4 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Then minus 6 by 11. Then minus 7 by 11. Then minus 8 by 11. Minus 9 by 11. Then minus 10 by 11. And minus 11 by 11, just mark it minus 1. Okay. Now, we have to mark minus 4 by 11. So, minus 4 by 11 will be this. So, round it. Question number 2 and 3 are similar type of questions. Now, question number 4 I am showing you. And this will be the last question. Answer 4. So one thing you remember, between any two rational number there exists infinite many rational numbers. So question number 2, here everywhere you have to on number line you have to represent all the rational number, and question number 3 it is given number line, then you have to tell A, B, C, D. What is A, B, C, D? Insert the rational number between this and this, and this is the most important questions of this chapter. So A I am showing between minus 3 by 11 and minus 1 by 13, right? So we have to write how many rational number? 5 rational number. So first you have to make same denominator. So how we can make? If we multiply this by 13 with numerator also and denominator also, and second number minus 1 by 13, multiply here 11. Then what will happen? Here we will get 143 minus 39. Here also 143 and minus 11. Now 5 rational number. 5 rational numbers equals to minus 38 by 143, minus 37 by 143, minus 36 by 143, minus 35 by 143, minus 34 by 143. So like that we'll find, we'll insert, okay, 5 rational number. Now next is question number 5, B. 5 rational number we have to write between 2 by 13 and 3 by 13. Here denominator already same. Now numerator is 2 and here 3, and between 2 and 3 any whole number we are getting? No, we are not getting whole number. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator and denominator by what? How many number you want to find? 5. So you will multiply at least by 6. That means 1 more than that number. So at least 6. You can multiply by 7 also, 8 also, 9 also, 10 also, your choice. Because we know that between two rational number there exists infinite many rational number. So here I am multiplying by 6 and 3 by 13 by 6. So here 12, 78, 18 by 78. So 5 rational numbers equals to exactly 5 you will get here. 13 by 78, 14 by 78, 15 by 78, 16 by 78, 17 by 78. Exactly 5 rational number we got. Okay. So I hope you understood the questions, you understood the concept. Okay. So thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, then bye everyone.